Hi JamCats, George here, one of the co-creators of JamCatApp. Today I'm going to talk to you about the latest feature, the Setlist Maker. I'm just going to start by logging in using Facebook. I'm going to use my classic rock band for this demonstration. We call it the Cats, and we play corporate gigs and bar gigs as well. As you can see, we have put quite some work into organizing this band, thanks to all the band members' help, of course. We have organized the songs into several song lists and tags so that we can slice and dice our repertoire any way we want. There's a new section down here that lists all my existing set lists. From here I can clone a set list, delete, and also add. So let's go ahead and add one. The only field that's required in the set list is the name. So if you don't know the details, you can always fill these later. However, I do know that my gig is next Saturday at 7 p.m. Also, the location is the Monte Carlo in Markham, so I can enter all this in right now. When I click Save, it adds a new line down here in the setlist section. Then I can click on it and it will take me to the setlist edit page. On this page, I can edit on any of the fields that the add page had. Any change I make here will be saved automatically. I have a few indicators here that show the total number of songs that setlist has and the total duration across all the songs. By default, all members have access to view and edit this list. Also, a set list comes with at least one set. I can add more sets by clicking on the Add Set button. I can also add filler sections, which describes a section during the gig which the band doesn't play. The organizer of the venue already told us that we're going to have 2 breaks and we have to finish by 11. So I can add all this ahead of time. Now I can edit the labels of all these sections. The filler section, the first one I'm going to call Speeches. And it's about 30 minutes, so I'm going to enter this on this field. And I have to enter the 00 at the end to indicate minutes instead of seconds. The next set I'm going to call it Broken the Ice. And then we need another filler under that. I'm going to call it Prizes. And it's also 30 minutes. And we need another set, the last one, and it's going to be called Drunken Party. And all these sets, they have to be about an hour each to meet the 4-hour mark from 7 to 11. And you can see that the duration at the top updates automatically. So I know I have 1 hour with just the fillers. Now I can add some songs. I can search by name, artist, or number, or click on the song list to display all its songs, and then I can start dragging them in. The song itself shows the number, name, artist, key, and duration. The same song can be added as many times as you like, in case you want to repeat the same song at the end, or it's up to you to customize it the way you want. And then, of course, you can change the order of the songs. You can drag them between sets. You can delete songs, and you can also, there's a button to actually open the edit page, edit the song, and then come back. Any changes you do automatically get saved, so even if something happens, like your browser crashes, your computer shuts down, or you have to leave for an hour, you come back, you're safe. You can also enter reminder notes on the song itself. For Wanted Dead or Alive, we want to turn on a smoke machine, so I can enter that information right in there. And I can look at my list during the gig, and it will remind me to do that if I'm busy with other things. The next part is the printing the set list. So you just click on the button up there, and it lays out your list like this with all the titles and the notes already. For future gigs, I can just clone this list and have all the songs in the same order, all the sections, so I don't have to start over again. I just have to enter the new name of the set list and punch in all the details like your location and date. And I'm going to call this Company Event Toronto, and it will be the following week. And I can go back to the set list area there and pick it from there. As you can see, we have the same structure as the previous one, but I can modify it and it's totally independent from the previous one. I can delete any sections. I can add new sections, type a description, type the new location. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to contact us at JamCatApp@gmail.com and follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and Google+.